Let's make a Mangalorean style fish curry. Pulimunchi. A beautiful spicy fish curry. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This beautiful recipe serves 4 to 5 guests. We need mackerel 4 pieces, cleaned and cut into small pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of rock salt. Marinate and rest for 15 minutes. Tamarind, a medium size. 1 cup of water. Mix well, leave it aside. Onto a pot, 3 tablespoons of coriander seed. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. 15 pieces of peppercorn. 10 pieces of fenugreek. Half teaspoon of mustard seed. 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain. Slow flame, roast it dry. Always stir it. Dry roast, cool it down, transfer to a blender. Onto the same pot, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 5 pieces of Kashmiri chili, 12 pieces of dry red chilies. Slow flame, roast it. You will get a beautiful fragrance from the chili. Cool it down, transfer to the same blender. 3 tablespoons of coconut. 1 medium size sliced red onions. Small piece of ginger. 4 cloves of garlic. Half teaspoon of turmeric. The tamarind we made before and the pulp. Cover it. Blend it to a fine, smooth paste like this. For fish curries, clay pot is very good. On a medium heat, add coconut oil. When oil is hot, add the paste. Combine well. Cook for 2 minutes. Add some water to the blender jar. Mix it and add to the spice. 1 tablespoon of rock salt. Chopped red onions half. Fine chopped green chilies 3 each. Fine chopped garlic 3 cloves. Fine chopped ginger 1 teaspoon. Combine well. Let it simmer for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, add the mackerel. Few curry leaves on the top. Don't use any more ladle after this one, may have a chance to break the fish. Swirl it with your hand. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes on a low heat. Turn off the heat. The Mangalorean fish curry is ready. I kept it almost for 3-4 hours to get the sourness absorbed by the fish and the spiciness. Thick gravy. A beautiful spice combination. Spiciness, sourness, the fish flavor. So good. Make sure you try it and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it?
Then what about this one? Just make sure